the 3 levels of bad sound, and how to escape them. Let's talk about the stages of audio hell. Level 1. The camera mic casualty. If you're using your camera's built-in mic, stop. Immediately. That mic was designed to barely pick up noise, not clean dialogue. It's like recording an interview through a sock full of bees. You're doing your film dirty. Grab a shotgun mic like a Rode NTG or Deity. Even a cheap lav mic is better than onboard sound. Mount it close, not on your camera, but just out of frame near your actor's mouth.